Hello everybody, my name is Preston. I'm a rising sophomore at Wayne Hills High School, and the project I chose was the ultrasonic theremin because it combined my passion for music with engineering. In my project, input is taken in through this ultrasonic sensor, and in the middle here, this physical potentiometer, and sent to an Arduino, which then tells this speaker to produce a certain sound based on the distance between my hand and the ultrasonic sensor and the positioning of the physical potentiometer. When it turns on, the speaker produces a startup noise, and then goes to more of a drone, which I can control the pitch of using the ultrasonic sensor, and also the volume using this physical potentiometer, and I can do both at once. Okay. How this works, basically, the ultrasonic sensor sends out sound waves that, high frequency sound waves that will go out and then bounce back to it once they hit an object, like my hand, and then the ultrasonic sensor calculates the distance between it and that object based on the time it took for the sound to return to it, which is called the echo, and that's how inputs are put in. For this potentiometer, it basically controls how much voltage goes through it based on the positioning. So the more I turn it to this side, which is my left, the louder this speaker would get, because the more voltage is just being, let through. But then the more I turn it to this side, which is my right, the quieter the speaker would get. Some challenges I experienced were in the guide for this project. It included two new libraries that weren't built into the software, which meant that I had to go find them since no replacement ones would work, and it had to be those exact libraries. As well as this on the guide, parts were listed incorrectly. Like, this speaker wasn't listed on the parts guide. What's the other one? There's this little chip in the middle here that also wasn't listed on the parts guide and was listed incorrectly, so both of these had to be bought after the construction had originally began. After this, since this is the first milestone, I intend to rewire this whole system so that I can still control the pitch with this ultrasonic sensor. But as you can see, I have a second one hooked up here. This is what's meant to control the volume. This is a stand-in replacement because the wiring on the original guide was not shown properly. And I also intend to rewrite the code a little so that the pitch and volume will be more linear as compared to jumping around like it is currently. Thank you.